Question 1. Integral x squared plus x over x minus e to the x plus 2 pi with respect to x. So we're going to divide this through. That's x squared over x plus x over x minus e to the x plus 2 pi. Therefore, simplifying the integrand. X squared over x is just x over x is 1 minus e to the x plus 2 pi dx. Now let's integrate term by term. That's integral x dx plus integral 1 dx minus integral e to the x dx plus integral 2 pi dx. Integral of x is saying what is the function whose derivative is x. That's x squared over 2. You can also reverse the power rule to obtain that. And here is what is the antiderivative of 1? That's just x. And integral of e to the x is just e to the x. Plus, the constant passes right through the integral, so that's going to be 2 pi integral 1 dx. And that's just going to be x. So x squared over 2 plus x minus e to the x plus 2 pi x plus c. That is the final answer. Okay, let's look at number 2. Here we have x to the 3 half plus x to the minus 3 half all squared integrated with respect to x. The first thing we want to do is simplify inside the integrand. So I'm going to fold this out, x to the 3 half plus x to the negative 3 half all squared dx. That's going to give us x to the 3 over 2 all squared plus 2 times x to the 3 half x to the minus 3 half plus this term squared. That's x to the negative 3 over 2, the whole thing squared. And that's with respect to x. This 2 cancels with this 2, and this 2 cancels with this 2. We get integral x cubed plus 2 x to the 0, same base, add the exponents. That's x to the 0 plus x to the minus 3 dx. Now we integrate term by term. That's integral x cubed dx plus integral 2 dx plus integral x to the minus 3 dx. Note x to the 0 is just 1. Integral of x cubed, that's just reversing the power rule, x to the 4th over 4 plus, and integral of 2 dx, the constant just passes right through, so that's going to be 2 times integral of 1 dx, which is just x, plus, and antiderivative of x to the minus 3 is x to the negative 3 plus 1, that's negative 2, divided by minus 2, plus c. So rewrite this as x to the 4th over 4, simplifying a little bit, and minus 1 over 2x squared plus c. That is the answer. Number 3, we have x cubed minus third root of x divided by 2 root x, integrated with respect to x. Let's simplify that first. So to simplify that, we divide through, that's x cubed over 2 root x minus third root of x over 2 root x dx. And that's going to give us x cubed over 2 root x dx minus integral third root of x over 2 root x dx, splitting up the integrals. And the 1 half passes right through the integral. Now I'll write this as x cubed over x to the 1 half dx minus, bring the 1 half out of the second integral and write this as x to the 1/3 over x to the 1 half dx. 1 half integral 3 minus a half, we have the same base, subtract off the exponents, that's 2.5, so that's 5 over 2 dx, minus 1 half, same base, subtract off the exponent, that's 1/3 minus 1 half, that is negative 1 over 6 dx. And now reverse the power rule, that's going to be x to the 5 over 2 plus 2 over 2 is 7 over 2, divide by 7 over 2. minus 1/2 integral x to the, oh, no integral, that's all we're integrating, that's x to the negative 1 over 6 plus 6 over 6, that's 5 over 6, divide by 5 over 6, plus c. Let's simplify a little bit. This 2 cancels with this 2, and you get x to the 7 over 2 over 7 minus 1/2 times, flip the bottom, that's 6 over 5, x to the 5 over 6, plus c. X to the 7 over 2 over 7 minus 6 over 2, that's 3 over 5, 3 over 5, x to the 5 over 6, plus c. And this would be your final answer. Okay, let's look at number 4. Here we have integral 5 over 3 t to the 7 plus 1 over t to the 9 minus 3 over third root of t to the 7. So the first thing we do is split up the integrals. That's integral 5 over 3 t to the 7 dt plus integral 1 over t to the 9 dt minus integral 3 over third root of t to the 7 dt. The 5 over 3 comes out. You get 5 over 3 integral 1 over t to the 7 dt plus integral 1 over t to the 9 dt minus 3 comes out, 1 over t to the 7 thirds dt. Now you can't apply the power rule when you have something in the denominator like this, so you have to bring everything to the top. That's 5 over 3 integral t to the minus 7 dt plus integral t to the minus 9 dt minus 3 integral t to the minus 7 thirds dt. It's now prepared for using the power rule. So we apply the power rule, or reverse of the power rule. That's t to the minus 7 plus 1 minus 6 divide by minus 6 plus t to the minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8 divide by minus 8 minus 3, and you get t to the minus 7 thirds plus 3 over 3, that's negative 4 thirds divided by the same number, negative 4 thirds. Now we carefully simplify this. We get negative 5 over 18. Bring t to the minus 6 to the denominator, that's t to the 6 minus 1 over 8, t to the 8, and we get minus 3 times 3 over negative 4, t to the negative 4 thirds. Simplifying further, negative 5 over 18, t to the 6, minus 1 over 8, t to the 8. The minus cancels out, we get plus 9 over 4. And let's bring this to the denominator, that's 1 over t to the 4 thirds plus c. And let's rewrite this, negative 5 divided by 18 t to the 6 minus 1 over 8 t to the 8 plus 9 over 4 third root of t to the 4 plus c. This is the answer. Okay, thanks.